Welcome back to the Jack of All Trades channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the 1000 watt Ninja professional blender. We're going to do a unboxing and a quick test. According to many other reviews, this blender is highly recommended, so I thought I'd give it a try. It includes 3 levels of total crushing blades, 1000 watts of power. A quick unboxing reveals the manual, included is the plastic top lid. This has 2 purposes, which we'll cover later in this video. Included is a 72 ounce plastic pitcher. As you can see, it has measurement markings on both sides of the pitcher. Inside is the 3-blade system. On the bottom is a gear. It's a sealed plastic gear. Not like the glass models where you have to twist it. There's a seal at the bottom. This is the 3-blade system from Ninja. Stainless steel. They're very sharp, so be careful when you handle this. The included plastic lid is designed to lock in to the top and to stabilize the blender blade. You're going to want to line it up with the arrow on the lid and the arrow on the base. And then you're going to lock the handle down. And there's also a little access port if you have to add small ingredients. Included in the box is the motor base unit. Comes with a nice white finish. On the top is a plastic gear. And on the sides of the unit are air vents. Looking at the extension cord, you can judge for yourself in the video how long the extension cord is. I'm guessing this looks like about 4 feet. And on the back of the unit is another air vent. So we're going to put the unit in and then give it a quarter turn and it should lock right in, like so. A close-up of the unit reveals the 1000 watt professional tag, and we have a power button, a pulse button, a low, medium, and high button for speeds. Very simple, easy to operate design. You have your owner's manual, which is self-explanatory, and a recipe book to learn how to make some smoothies. Now I was blending a smoothie earlier and my blender died, so I went to the store and bought this. So we'll run a quick test. Now I'm adding unsweetened almond milk. past 3 months I've been on a vegetarian starch solution diet, lost 39 pounds, and it's very healthy. So I gotta add some frozen bananas, some fresh avocado or frozen avocado, can add some baby spinach. The XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is great for making drinks, smoothies for the family. You can't even taste the spinach once this is blended. And you can get an idea how much room you actually have in the pitcher and how much of smoothie material you can get out of it once you're done blending. We're going to blend this up and then we're going to add a little bit more ingredients. This is how fast the slow setting goes. Now this unit is really silent. Unfortunately I didn't have the camera audio on when I made this video. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips, smoothies. Add a little bit of cinnamon for flavor. Some frozen blueberries or fresh blueberries, or even some mixed fruit, whatever you prefer. We have some fresh raisins we're going to add. We're going to add some pure maple syrup right from the tree. This is not sugar added or flavor added. This is just straight pure maple syrup. This stuff costs a lot of money. Give it a quick blend. Cleanup is pretty easy. The blade comes out just like so. I'm going to take this over to the sink. I'll be right back. Okay. So I just pour this in and you can get an idea on how well it blends. Now I'm going to enjoy this blender for many years to come. So if you liked the video, please subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment. And enjoy your smoothie. Thank you for watching.